Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some of the most amazing car gadgets that can enhance your driving experience, improve safety, and add convenience to your road trips. Whether you're looking for smart tech, security upgrades, or must-have accessories, we've got you covered. We'll be featuring top gadgets like advanced dash cams, wireless charging mounts, tire pressure monitors, heads-up displays, and more. Ready to upgrade your ride with some cool car tech? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5. Ring Car Cam. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and security of your vehicle is paramount. The Ring Car Cam emerges as a comprehensive solution, integrating advanced technology to safeguard your car against potential threats. Dual-facing HD cameras. Equipped with 2 wide-angle cameras, the Ring Car Cam provides comprehensive coverage. The road-facing camera captures detailed driving footage, while the cabin-facing camera, featuring night vision capability, serves as a deterrent against break-ins. Disturbance detection and real-time alerts stay informed about potential threats with real-time disturbance notifications. Integrated sensors promptly detect physical disturbances, sending alerts directly to your smartphone. Seamless connectivity to Wi-Fi or LTE is necessary for uninterrupted monitoring. Live View Plus two-way talk. Number 4. WaterPORT Weekender Portable 8-gallon water tank. When you're on the road, access to pressurized water can be a game-changer, especially during outdoor adventures. The WaterPORT Weekender portable 8-gallon water tank offers the perfect solution for camping showers, overlanding, and on-the-go water storage. Experience convenience like never before with the Weekender water tank. Whether you're camping, overlanding, or simply exploring the great outdoors, this portable water tank provides on-the-go pressurized water for all your needs. From refreshing showers to drinking water, it's your ultimate off-road companion. Sun-warmed showers anywhere, the black color of the Weekender tank is designed to absorb the sun's rays, ensuring warm showers wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to chilly outdoor showers and embrace the luxury of a warm rinse at your campsite, beach, or any remote location. Comprehensive kit, the Weekender portable camping shower and water storage tank come complete with everything you need for hassle-free use. The kit includes an 8-gallon water tank, a 16-feet coiled hose, a high-pressure spray nozzle, and fill valve mounts for easy installation on your car top or truck top rack. Versatile mounting options. Compatible with platform-style racks, the Weekender tank includes mounting brackets for quick and secure installation. Additionally, a universal roof rack mounting kit is available separately, ensuring compatibility with various rack types for added convenience. Number 3. BOXCO Basecamp Cooler. When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the right gear can make all the difference. The BOXCO Basecamp Cooler, specifically the Hub 70 model, is designed to meet the demands of any excursion, from rugged workshops to serene ranches. Heavy-duty construction. Crafted with heavy-duty rotomolded construction and featuring the proprietary X-shaped design, the Hub 70 is built to withstand whatever challenges nature throws its way. Its rock-solid durability ensures reliability in any situation, ensuring your gear stays protected. Modular storage versatility. Whether you're setting up base camp for climbing or hosting a backyard barbecue, the Hub 70 offers unparalleled modular storage versatility. Equipped with interchangeable Clearview CANS and a front-facing cargo net, you can easily organize and access your essentials at a moment's notice. Commercial-grade cooling performance. Experience superior cooling performance with the Hub 70. The freeze frame insulation technology maximizes cold or heat retention, keeping your beverages frosty for game day or preventing them from freezing solid during winter expeditions. Easy Grab Gear Cans. The Hub 70 comes with easy grab gear cans housed in its corner turrets. These integrated removable CANS can be packed with necessities tailored for any activity, ensuring you have everything you need for your adventure, whether it's a whitetail field dress or advanced first aid supplies. Detachable quick stash cargo net. Conveniently stash your gear within reach using the front-facing cargo net. From winter gloves to spare fishing reels, this detachable cargo net provides easy access to essential items while on the go. X-shape design. The proprietary X-shape design of the Hub 70 not only enhances its structural integrity, but also maximizes storage efficiency. The ergonomic shape allows for easier carrying, while the conturrets provide additional insulation for the interior cooler port. Number 2. Baseus Sharp Tool Safety Hammer. Emergencies on the road can strike unexpectedly, and being prepared can mean the difference between life and death. Introducing the Baseus Sharp Tool Safety Hammer, a versatile and reliable device designed to aid in critical situations. Instant breakout window breaking plus safety quick belt cutting function. In times of crisis, every second is precious. The Baseus Safety Hammer allows you to swiftly cut through seat belts and shatter glass, providing a means of escape for you and your loved ones. Whether facing a car fire or submersion in water, this essential car accessory ensures a rapid response to dangerous situations. High-quality construction. Crafted from high-quality tungsten steel with a hardness rating of HRC 55, this safety hammer delivers unparalleled performance. Its robust construction ensures rapid glass breaking, while the concealed blade effortlessly cuts through locked safety belts. Additional power with spring mechanism. Equipped with a spring mechanism inspired by firearm technology, the Baseus Safety Hammer amplifies impact force, ensuring efficient glass breaking. This feature empowers users of all ages, making it accessible even to children in emergencies. Safe and convenient design. Safety is paramount, and the Baseus Safety Hammer prioritizes user protection. The concealed knife, strategically placed on the opposite side of the hammer, remains hidden to prevent accidental injuries while remaining easily accessible for emergency use. Number 1. GoPump 5-in-1 Portable Air Pump. The GoPump 5-in-1 Portable Air Pump is not just any roadside companion, it's the ultimate solution for any emergency situation you might encounter on the road. Combining 5 essential functions into one compact and rugged tool, GoPump ensures you're always prepared for whatever comes your way. With the GoPump, you get an air pump, jump starter, power bank, camping light, and flashlight all in one robust package. Say goodbye to juggling multiple gadgets for roadside assistance. GoPump simplifies your emergency preparedness with its multifunctional design. Rapid tire inflation. Equipped with a high-performance built-in pump, GoPump inflates tires in just 1.5 minutes flat. Its premium polished pump ensures a tight seal for maximum efficiency. From car tires to bike tires, boat cushions to inflatable tents, GoPump handles it all with ease. Powerful jump-starting capability. Featuring a monster to 508 peak current, GoPump can jump-start 12 volts vehicles with up to 8.5 L petrol engines or 6.5 L diesel engines in just 1 to 3 seconds.